Hello, my people. So this is let's call it a joke. So we all know that Cyril Ramaphosa went to the White House. He sat there in the Oval Office and looked at the video. They dimmed the lights of kill the boer, kill the farmer. But this is a joke. I want to tell you, it's not a joke. I want to tell you how corruption works. So no one has been behind the cameras, behind the scenes. No one has seen it, ne? So Donald Trump decided he wants to paint the White House. So the White House needs a new coat of paint. So he put out tenders. There were a lot of people that said, we'll paint. And they gave their tenders to President Donald Trump. So the three that stood out most, the first one he looked at was a Chinaman. And the Chinaman quoted to paint the White House $3 million. So Donald Trump, he called in the Chinaman and said, why $3 million? So the Chinaman says it's 1 million for the paint, 1 million for labor, and 1 million profit. Donald Trump said, okay. I'll look at the other tenders. So the next one he got in was an American. It said 6 million. So now Donald Trump asks this American, why 6 million? He says, no, we're using locally supplied paint. We're using locally supplied labor. So it's 2 million for the paint, 2 million for the labor, and then 2 million for profit. And now Ramaphosa, that was there in the White House, and says it's going to cost 10 million. So Donald Trump says, hey, how does this work? So Ramaphosa says, hey, 5 million for you, Mr. Trump. 2 million for me. And then we pay the Chinaman 3 million to paint the White House. That is how the corruption of South Africa works. I hope you all have a blessed day and laugh about this. But that's how corruption works.